My name's Nick.
My name's Liam,
This is the Lakeview Car Channel.
and this is our garage space that we're going to be turning into our nice shop so we can work on cars.
So stay tuned for the modifications, the building, and projects that we have to offer.
All right, guys, so we got everything cleaned up, all the mess picked up. We did a quick sweep just to get all the dust up. What we're gonna do is try and paint the wall white and paint our pegboard black. So all this wall is kind of blue, all this brick, it's all gonna be white. And we're gonna try and work our way all the way down to the blue tape. We'll see how far we get. And of course, we got a bunch more light up. This is just kind of for now. We need a lot more light still. I mean, I'm sure it's pretty dark, but yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, so we're at Home Depot. We're gonna pick up some lumber for this workbench. Just something nice and sturdy, about 8 foot long. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys, so we're out here selecting our lumber. Something you always want to do if you're making a workbench or any kind of carpentry project. If you don't know, you always want to kind of look down the lumber, make sure it's nice and straight. So that's why we're hand picking everything instead of just ordering them from somewhere and say, hey, give us 5 2x4s and 3 2x6s. So we're checking each one to make sure it's nice and straight. So we end up with a square workbench. It's gonna sit level. It's gonna look nicer. So we're gonna go ahead and grab some plywood here for the top, and we should be good. Got a few 4x4s, got a few 2x4s, and a few 2x6s. You'll see the design when we get home. All right, guys, so went to Home Depot. Homies hooked us up with free sodas because they forgot to tell us how to save money. That's cool. We got all our wood here. It's all in the back of the good old rig. So grab our screws, hop in the truck, go back, let's build a workbench. So we got back from Home Depot. I think as you saw, we had one of the guys at Home Depot rip that board down for us to our width that we wanted, because neither of us have a skill saw or anything to cut it with. So had that ripped down at Home Depot, so that's 2.5 by 8 foot. 2x4s, 2x6s, 4x4s. I got a chop saw so we can cut this stuff down. And got a nice 4-inch industrial vise while I was in another town the other weekend. So 60 bucks, pretty good deal. I mean, usually these go for like 200 new, so.
Yeah, so
So we're gonna set up the workbench and get going. All right, so we've got our frame set up here. It's 8 foot by 2.5. So this plywood is going to be that'll be our top for the workbench. We're going to use these 4x4s as legs. We're going to cut them basically in half, and so we'll have, I guess, 6 legs total, and then that'll give us 1/2. We can build a shelf under it for lower storage, and the other half we're planning on leaving it empty so we can have kind of a fabrication station. Later on, we're gonna get probably like an 1/8" metal plate to put on top of this plywood so it's a sturdier surface. But for now, this should do it. It's just 3/4 plywood. And if you're wondering, we didn't really get these plans anywhere. This is just something that this is just a design that I usually go with. It seems it's served me well throughout the years. So yeah, let's get to putting the legs on it and we can work on the shelf.
So we just got done building our beefy workbench. We made it to exactly how we wanted it to be. So it'll be pretty good in the end, but we're not quite done with it. What are we gonna do to it?
We still want to put either a shelf or two over here, or maybe have storage for another tool cart, something like that. And then on this half, we want to just leave it open. This is going to be kind of the fabrication side, so we can sit at it with a bar stool and our legs aren't hitting nothing. We also want to clean up the vise that we picked up for cheap. It works, but it's a little stiff, so
It's a little rough.
we'll probably put some fresh paint on it.
That's not supposed to happen.
Oil it up a little bit, just make it nice. And we also want to put like a 1/8" metal plate on top, maybe a little thicker. We're not sure yet.
Something meaty.
And then once that's mounted, then we can put the vise on top, put everything together, and maybe paint it someday. I don't know.
Yeah, we got a lot more to show you guys and everything that we want to do down here, and especially a lot of more work with our cars. But I hope you enjoyed this introduction to our channel, the LVCC, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and as I say, hit that little bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.